Listen carefully, gentlemen. Attraction isn't about begging for her attention or trying to win her over through excessive effort. It's about creating a natural pull she can't resist, even when she swears she isn't interested. Most men try to force desire, but real men become the reason it happens. In this video, I'll break down the psychological triggers that make her pursue you, even when she didn't intend to. The first step is shifting your mindset. Stop chasing, start attracting. Here's the truth most men avoid: you can't make a woman desire you by pursuing her. The harder you push, the colder she becomes. Desire doesn't grow from your neediness, it grows when she feels your gravity. When a woman isn't interested, most men overcompensate. They explain too much, try too hard, and seek validation in hopes she'll change her mind. That behavior signals weakness, and weakness never creates attraction. You don't generate desire by proving your worth. You create it by embodying value without needing her approval. That's what it means to flip the frame. You stop auditioning for her interest. You stop chasing the yes. Instead, you become the chooser, not the chosen. This shift isn't about fake confidence or playing games, it's about energy. When a man stands firmly in his own value, everything changes. His silence has presence, his words carry weight, and his calm detachment builds tension. Suddenly, the same woman who once felt nothing begins to feel curiosity. Women aren't drawn to men who need them, they're drawn to men whose lives are already full, with or without them. A woman senses when a man's world is bigger than her, and that's what makes her lean in. When you stop chasing, you create space for her to wonder about you. Wonder sparks curiosity. Curiosity builds tension. And tension is where desire lives. You don't convince her to want you, you make her question why she didn't before. Desire isn't logical, it's emotional. Emotional impact always outweighs physical attraction. That's why some average-looking men captivate women while others, more qualified, get ignored. They understand that emotion is the real hook. When a woman isn't interested, it's often because you haven't triggered the right emotions. Attraction isn't about looks, it's about how she feels in your presence. A man who can evoke emotion becomes unforgettable. Mystery, calm confidence, subtle teasing, and emotional control create a cocktail that stirs curiosity and desire. Most men ruin this by giving too much too soon, too much attention, approval, and availability. When there's no tension, there's no attraction. But when a man controls his energy and lets her earn more of him, everything shifts. People value what feels rare. The less you need her, the more she's drawn to your presence. So stop trying to be the perfect guy. Become the unforgettable one. Slow your words. Lead interactions with calm dominance. Let silence and space do the work. Don't feed her ego, feed her curiosity. That's what makes her start asking herself, why can't I stop thinking about him? When that question arises, the dynamic has already changed. Next, make her feel safe, not smothered. Women crave security wrapped in desire. If she doesn't feel emotionally safe, desire cannot grow. But safety isn't about being soft or overly available. Real safety comes from strength paired with calm. It's when she knows she can be herself around you without judgment, and that you won't fall apart if she pulls away. Stoic control is key. When you can maintain your frame during her emotional fluctuations, she begins to trust you. And trust is the gateway to desire. A woman relaxes around a man who doesn't chase every mood swing or cling to every signal. That emotional safety awakens her attraction. Finally, control the tempo. Desire is like fire. Blow too hard, and it dies. Feed it slowly, and it grows. Many men ruin potential by rushing the process. Attraction thrives in tension, not pressure. Speak slower, move slower, touch slower. Slowness signals power. It shows that you have nothing to prove. When you control the rhythm, she begins to follow your lead. You become the unpredictable element she can't ignore. Seductive energy is quiet, patient, and deliberate. Patience isn't passivity, it's control. And ultimately, become the source, not the seeker. The man who radiates calm, purpose, and value doesn't chase attention. He attracts it naturally. Women sense when a man's worth doesn't depend on them. That energy is magnetic. When you stop chasing desire, desire begins chasing you. That's the paradox most men never learn. True power lies in being the man she can't ignore, because your energy, your presence, and your purpose make you unforgettable. When you lead with confidence, control the tempo, and embody value, you don't just attract women, you draw them in effortlessly. That's not manipulation. That's mastery.